Even though I talked about it for the last 4 videos, my eyes are still weird and I need to address it because else probably a lot of people are going to just think I'm high. Anyways, I have this eye infection, but whatever. This video is going to be about product research. I'm going to tell you exactly what the process of finding a winning product looks like inside of the program. All right. So how it works for everybody inside of the program, and in general how it should work for everybody in the entire world, is like this. You first understand what criteria to look out for in terms of what a winning product is. So you have, let's say, 10 criteria lined up, which actually mean that if every single checkbox is checked, it's a winning product. And inside of the program, you're actually going to get a sheet which basically fills in all the columns with the criteria. So every criteria gives you a point. So for example, if the product is inside of a passionate niche and it's super easy to target, it gets a point. If it's not, it gets 0 points. And you're basically going to see on the left side all the points added up. And if all the points are just yes, 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 you're going to have the full amount of points, and that means that most likely this product is a winner. All right. However, how you go about product research is the following. You're going to do things step by step. The first thing in product research is just finding products themselves. So after you have the criteria down, you just scrape everything on AdSpy, AliExpress, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, other tools, wherever you want to find winning products. It doesn't matter where you find them, you just need to find them and put them into a sheet and make sure that the criteria are followed. If it's literally in a physical store, you see a product which fits every criteria, there you go, that's it, you know? However, obviously one of the criteria should also be there are other advertisers on Facebook which don't look branded and they're actually like real dropshippers which you can compete with, and that's a little bit harder to find in local stores. But anyways, you're gonna only do the research and you literally just see the product, like you just copy the link wherever you are, either the AliExpress link or the Facebook link or whatever, put it into a sheet and just write the product name next to it, and that's it. You don't do any in-depth research on it. That's a big mistake. If you see something, you instantly get hooked and think, this is great, this is amazing, let me do extra research, and you waste time. You don't want that. The first step is only writing down the names and putting in the links. That's it. Okay? So you do that for hours, and you just search and search and search and search, and the bare minimum is like 30 products, the bare minimum. 30 products you need to have. When you actually have that, the next step is to fill out the sheet and do some extra research. So basically think about all the criteria and really go one by one. Is this product fitting this criteria? Yes or no? And it's very important to answer this truthfully. For example, one of the criteria, which is not even that important, but problem solving. Problem solving could be one of the criteria. And the question is it actually problem solving, or are you just inventing a bullshit problem and then making it problem solving? It's, you know, it's like, all right, this thing is going to save you time because you don't have to go to the store and buy it, and it's all right, but it's not really solving any problems, right? So you need to make sure that the things are honest and they're actually fitting the boxes. Now, when you have that, you need to be extremely intolerant. Extremely intolerant. The moment you see something is not perfect, that's it. You just cut it out. There's an infinite amount of products. Why select something which is not perfect? So in the beginning, you need to select everything. Like any product you select is going to be only 10 out of 10. And obviously, I cannot really give every single criteria of our strategy away on YouTube, and it's only for people inside of the program, because we basically sell a very specific type of product, and if I would just put it out on YouTube publicly, there will be too many people selling this. So I cannot stress this enough, that you need to be super picky. And the problem is that in the beginning, you don't really have this eye for winning products. And that's the exact reason why inside of the program, you're going to have me looking over the sheet you have, and I'm going to tell you this is good, this is bad, this is good, this is bad. And I'm also going to explain to you why that is. And I've literally at this point seen hundreds of winning products. I know exactly what a winning product looks like, and I also know what a winning product doesn't look like. Okay, so I'm going to just cancel out most of the products you have in there. And normally, if people come to me with like 30 products, 1 to 5 are okay. So it's we're very picky. So if you actually want to know my exact criteria of a winning product, and also want me to look over every single product you're going to test and tell you honestly if I would test it or if I wouldn't test it, Click the link below, sign up for a free consultation session. We're going to find out if everything is a good fit, and if yes, we're actually going to start working together in a mentoring program. So click the link below and see you there. And also, if you have any questions in general, I actually started being a bit more active on Instagram. I just started a new channel, so you can also DM me there and ask me any questions you want. Okay, so click the link below and see you soon.